Cole wanted to build a shed, and he looked at various one, and then of course he came across you guys at Easy Sheds. He said it's a great building, it's really good high quality, so he's really happy because it's going to house a lot of sort of heavy equipment in here. It is really important because through here as well it does get quite windy, and I guess the weather here in the Hawkesbury, he wants something that's going to stand up as well, so he's really happy with it. He loves the colour, Australian colour bond. That's what he wanted, that would sort of blend in with everything here because it's a really nice, well blended in colour, so he's really happy. He's so happy with how everything went. When he made a phone call to the office, he just had really good support. Getting it delivered, everything was really good, so that's why he wants the hay shed done with you guys again, because he is just so impressed with everything. This is his hobby, this is where he houses all the things that he wants to do. That's why he's really happy with it. He sort of wanted the skylights as well. He wants to be able to have somewhere where he can just come and enjoy, I guess like any bloke, and do his hobby stuff as well as his love and passion for trucks. And he wants somewhere safe and secure, and that's what he got from you guys, that he can do it all here in the shed. He was happy, I guess, with everybody that was involved. It was really good. There are no complaints from him whatsoever, so he is very happy and absolutely recommend what you guys do. He loves it. He comes here, it's like his man cave.